Hello guys, today we are going to install this brand new for 2024 Pioneer radio in this 2006 old Yaris from Toyota. Okay, to start this job we have to turn their eyes to the front, and then we are clip out these side pieces, which are really easy. You don't need any tools for it, I hope. And you just disconnect this plug. Make sure you have all these three pink one, because that one you need when you are replacing this one with a new one. So same on this side. And here we go. Press the tab and release. This one we need as well, so we need to push them out. It's really easy, it's just two tabs pressing together. And make sure you get the right one on the right side. I don't think they fit the wrong way around. Then there are some screws. It's 4 of them. 2 here and 2 there. 1, 2. Then you just need to give it a good pull and and here we go. And here we are. This one we need, so we need to take that out as well. There are some small tabs here and over here, and then on top here. There we go. Then we can put this one aside. This bracket we need, so we need to, oh my god, is it possible? No, needs another tool. Okay, this is an M8. Let's see if that is, oh yes. Okay, to remove these clips, you have to open it carefully one side and put a fingernail or something under it, and then open the other side, and then it should be, oh, there we go. And here we can see the clip. It's a locking mechanism down here, which clamps into this hole. To fasten the clips, it's just a matter of pushing them on, and they snaps on by themselves. Easy, yeah? Nice. These two has different kind of plugs. You see, one is white and one is gray. This one is gray, this one is white. So it only fits one way around, so it should not be any problem if I manage to. What? There. Oh, here we go. Snaps in place, 2 locked-in tabs, everything is good. And the other side the same. Clipping on the clips. And then this one. Yes. Nice. Okay, then it's time for the unboxing of the new Pioneer, which is called this number. So, let's see what's inside. Okay, in the box you have a lot of cables. This is a AUX-in 3.5mm jack. And you have the USB-A for the iPhones or whatever. You have a GPS antenna, which is magnetic, but there are no metal, so I can't show you. A bag of screws, which are to use for this bracket. More cables, rear view camera input, subwoofer, front and rear, external amplifiers. I also bought the cables for the remote control and the Toyota system and the Pioneer lead. So you need them to make sure you have the correct interface. So they only fit one way around. And this is for the remote controller. Let's see, it's the right way. Here we have it. Fantastic. And this is the converter to talking from the remote on the steering wheel and convert that to a signal that Pioneer is understanding. So, okay, let's continue the unboxing. It's also included a DAB antenna. And you have some manuals, one installation manual and one quick start guide. And some warranty card. Then you have the radio itself. It looks like this. I have already removed the frame. It's a big frame. Very special since you have only half of the radio. And the radio is fixed by tiny, tiny screws to the frame. To install this bracket, you first need to remove this one. That's easy because it's only one screw. There we go. Then you take the left bracket for the left side. And then there are some knobs, which happens to fit perfectly onto the player. Then we use the screws we take off first from the original one, which was the stubborn one. One side done, same on the other side. Oops. Let's see. There we go. Then it's done. Then they have the main plug. And then you need this one. This is for the steering wheel control and also for the rear view camera. There we go. Click. Then we have, where is it? Here it is. Steering wheel control. And then we need to fiddle a little with the GPS antenna. The GPS antenna need to be on the outside here, so I think we will fix it over here, and then I make a small notch here with my knife to accept the cable. And this one is just clipped with some clips. Yes, perfect. Perfect. All right, everything is now ready to connect. So let's start with the power. The green one I have connected to the black. This is supposed to go to the handbrake, positive side. I have connected to the negative one and hope that works. The remote for the steering wheel snaps in place here. GPS antenna at its own place over here. And the FM. The FM goes in there, and the DIB. Where are you, Mr. DIB? Here you have it. There. And then we have the USB. Fits only one way. And that one comes out over here. So, now, let's see. Okay, remote. I'm sorry, the microphone for the telephone. It's mounted over here.
Oi, vänta. Där då.
Okay, that was easy. Then it's just the 4 Philips 2. No, not easy. Okay, first test. Ooh la la! Look at that! Look at that! Amazing, eh?
Viktigste appen, Teams.
Amazing.
Nei, ikke tilkoblet står det her da.
Virker tydeligvis.
Ja.
I rutescene, langbord, fantastisk mat og god stemning. Gå inn på
It's working!
biller.as for billetter og mer informasjon. Vi gleder oss til årets sommerfest lørdag 15. juni på Hustavika havhotell.
Look! The mode is working as well.
Finner du det beste til hagen din med stor vekt på egenproduserte planter. Her får du kun...
Okay, I have installed a separate USB here, connected to the plus and the minus, and with this new kit there was a frame. This one fits perfectly over the radio, I hope. And then, let's see. Nei. Haha, det mangler ventil. The ventil. We need to install the ventil first. Vent. Ventil. Vent.
Vent,
Vent.
tror jeg. Oi, der forsvant ramma di.
Yeah. This one should snap in place here. Hopefully. No, it did not.
Skal vi pause mens du fikler, eller? Eller går det bra? Nei. Der.
Okay, 3 on the bottom and 3 on the top. And then let's give it a try. everything is installed, then we need to install this one. And there are some small tabs here. Make sure them fit inside. Yes, there, that looks good. There we go. Then we have this one. This is important. Snaps in place. All good. Same on this side. Yes. Working. Excellent. Okay guys, that was a job well done. It took about 3 hours I think, with all the connections with the microphone up here and the GPS antenna and let me show you the external USB. Let me see, here we go. And the frame, we glued the frame in place to the new plastic, or else it was very troublesome. Apart from that, everything looks good. Yeah. So I will say that is a job well done. So there we have it. I say thanks for watching guys, and I hope to see you in the next one. Goodbye.